Bonjour, je m'appelle Lanisha and this video is for French beginners. Well, in our previous video, we discussed why French is important and how long does it take to reach CLB 7. So today, before we start learning French step by step, we will see the exam structure of TEF Canada. So there are 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. First is comprehensive écrit, which means reading. So in this section there are 40 multiple choice questions and the duration is 1 hour. So the advantage of this module is that you can go back to your previous questions, you can review and change it. So use this flexibility wisely before submitting your final answer. The second is comprehension oral, which means listening. The number of the multiple choice questions are same as reading, but here time duration is only 40 minutes. You have to be very focused in these sections because you can't go back to your previous questions. You have only one chance, so be very careful. The next is expression écrite, which is writing portion, and here there are 2 parts. Part 1 is complete an article in which you have to develop your own story. You need to use your imagination and write at least 80 words. After that, section 2, part B, which is an opinion essay. You have to write at least 200 words, and here the same thing, you can't go back to your previous section. So before submitting task A, review your answer carefully. And the last module is expression orale, which is speaking. Time duration is 15 to 20 minutes and this also consists of 2 parts. Part A, in which you will be given an advertisement from which you have to ask questions to your examiner. This is a formal conversation, and in task 2 it is informal conversation. You have to convince your friend. Your examiner will play a role of your friend and you have to convince about some product, some activity. It depends on your topic. So these 3 modules, comprehension écrit, comprehension orale and expression écrite, which is reading, listening and writing, are conducted in one sitting, and your expression orale depends on your exam center and your schedule.